Yo, hey guys, Ken Perriman here, and I am back again with another pretty cool product, and it is this guy right here. Let me show it to you. It is the HDMI wireless extender. These are in 4K. They're 500 foot low latency HD extender kit with HDMI loop out if you need to. 2.4 and 5 gigahertz dual band full HD for video transmitting and receiving. Cameras, laptops, monitors, TV projectors, Netflix, you name it. You can do this with this. So pretty cool. Before I get into it, let me show you something real quick. I want to talk about this. Hashtag sponsored. It just means that the company sent this product to me so I can show you guys all about it. So let me show you all about it. All right. 4K Ultra HD capability. There are other ones out there, the same company that have the 1080p version. This is the 4K version. Low latency, as I said, 4K, multiple power supply modes, no software needed, and about 150 meters or 500 feet transmitting, receiving range. So that's also probably dependent on line of sight, buildings, walls, all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this box. Wow. Yeah. Don't know why, but I didn't expect that. Do not support charging the external battery when the power adapter. Okay, yeah, okay. So troubleshooting, wireless HDMI extender kit user manual. And I'm going to tell you one thing I think is pretty cool with these. I saw that earlier when I was looking it up. Is you have the capability of plugging in your batteries. You guys know what batteries I'm talking about, right? You plug it in and snap it on, and there's your power supply. And then, of course, you can click this. It will ask you or tell you where you sit power supply wise. But you can also plug this in with a 5-volt in, which is a standard power adapter. You have your quarter 20 that you can either use this way with the battery up top, connecting this way or connecting this way, however you want to do it. Again, receiver, red transmitter. Oh, I did not notice that. That's my fault. Okay. That will lock into place. Let's go ahead and pull all of this out so we can get right to it, guys. Talk about how this is functioning. Again, your power supply cables, if you need to run this power supply, and your charging bricks. Let me see, is there anything else? There is not. Fairly straightforward, fairly easy to do. All right, so I've got the other camera going. We should be locked in. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull these out. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my power supply. 5 volts, HDMI out, HDMI in. This is a transmitter. Oh, okay. In and then out. This is where you can loop out to a small view screen. So let me go ahead and talk about this real quick. As we can see, really nice setup here. Yeah, really nice setup here. You have your mirror or pair, your status, and then of course your 5 volts in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in here. Oh, also, while we're at it, let's go ahead and turn these guys on. Lock these guys in just to ensure. I'm doing it at a short distance, so I probably don't really need these, but I'm going to go ahead and put these on in such a way that we can broadcast out. I am then going to go ahead and do HDMI in, because this is coming from my computer. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead here in a second, go over to the receiver. This is the receiver side. And I'm going to plug in my power source there with these guys. And then HDMI out into my TV. So this is how we're going to test this. So I'm going to use my computer as an output monitor, and then hopefully what I will have then is the additional output over there on that TV doing, as I expect, will be another monitor screen. So let's go ahead and take this over there. You'll see me pop up on the other screen in a sec. Turn it on. I should be in TV mode. No, don't start Samsung DeX. Oh my, this thing's working. Okay, so look at that. So I have started as a Samsung DeX. Okay, so I'm going to turn off DeX, turn it off. So we are now looking at my phone. This is connected to this phone, and let's just play a video. Let's see what's on the camera. We'll just do me talking about something crazy. Let's go ahead and turn it this way. There we go. Let's go ahead and show me talking about something. Look at that. Look at that. I am wirelessly, I can't even speak. Let's close that. Let's go back. Oh yeah, there we go. So we're back to Ken Perryman. This is me. Oh wow. Guys, this is pretty cool. Let's go catch one of my videos. I'm back again with another pretty darn cool product, and I want you to check it out. It's right here. Let me show it to you. So the audio is playing over my phone. It is the upgraded hood latches with keys. An interesting word with the word keys. We'll get into that here in a second. But it fits your 2018 to 2025 Jeep Wrangler JL, JLU, 4xe. It literally is operating just as an external screen from this phone. So the cool thing about this is that you could use this as a export or a camera output. Oh, and let me turn down. So we can't hear this, but let me go ahead and stop this because we're not going to advertise other stuff that's going on. But check that out. You can see that we can look through this entire phone function. I can anything I do on the phone, you will see. Yeah, that we will. Let me see. Go back. I can clear out of this. I can scroll through everything on the phone. Again, making this whatever it is. You know, whatever view you want. Maybe you're doing something for Christmas and maybe you want to go ahead and put your phone on and then let me look at it. Fireplace. Okay, there we go. Maybe. Okay, so 1 hour bonfire. Boom. Open it up. There you go. Now let's pinch to zoom to fit. Oh, not too far, Ken. Not too far. Let's pinch to zoom so that it fits. Now, granted, there's a logo there on the far side, of course, but what if we wanted to do some kind of like fireside chat looking thing and you just want to go ahead and get this to fill in? Oh, that's as far as it'll go. Okay. Right. 1.4. I can bring it back. Zoom to fit. And again, I'm playing a fire, showing on the TV. I could do like videos over there and have this playing in the background. I could even do other things where I can plug in one of my main cameras here and have it output into this device here and then just outputting, yeah, straight into the TV. So you can plug in cameras and videos and anything else that you wanted to pull from one side and display it over on another side. And you can also do the reverse of it. Have a camera broadcasting over there, coming in and playing on this. But currently, as you can see, I am recording and showing a video and I'm looking at it of fireplace burning at my TV that's like 10 feet away from here, doing it all on this guy and the receiver guy sitting over there, wirelessly. No wires. I can just do this and have it function. That is really cool. I really think that that's pretty darn cool. Now we should be able to do this with another computer as an external monitor. Unfortunately, I have 3 monitors already coming out of my MacBook Pro. I'm pretty much there, so it's kind of hard for it to grab and go onto that device. So in short, this is what it is. And I'm demonstrating here just with a phone. So how cool is that? Man, that is pretty darn cool. I like that. All right. So guys, that was really cool. I like that. I'm going to be using this a whole lot more. This is sitting in my ready to go section here, so I can go ahead and just pop it on and do just exactly that. I can do videos. I can sit in my chair that's on another desk and then just have that thing populating in the background, doing its own thing while I do some other stuff. Maybe as a secondary type B-roll video or something. It doesn't matter. I can now broadcast remotely, wirelessly, from one device, HDMI, up to 4K, over to that device. And I can even do 4K videos here and just play it straight over. Guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And I'm out.